Welcome to the Lido eRouteManual version 4.8, Preloading of Charts, tutorial video. To automatically preload charts in the Lido eRouteManual, you need to have this option enabled in the configuration. To get started, launch the Lido eRouteManual and go to the route entry page. Select the available flight plan from the Load FPL menu and confirm the loading. The flight route will be visible on the en route map, and the relevant procedure charts will be automatically added to the airport clipboard. For example, the departure airport will have the standard instrument departure chart loaded, while the corresponding standard arrival route and instrument approach charts will be loaded for the destination and alternate airports. This concludes our tutorial. We wish you successful operations with the Lido eRouteManual version 4.8.